This video shows how to install and register the Cara Print Cam software. When the Cara Print 4.0 Pro is delivered, you will find a USB stick with the installation file of the Cara Print Cam 2.0 software in the accessory kit. Please install this on your computer. You need admin rights on your computer to install the software. Please follow the instructions on the screen and accept the license agreement. If necessary, disable your firewall or virus protection for the installation. After installation, the software will be available for 7 days. To do this, start the software by clicking on Continue Trial. To use it permanently, please register it using the QR code on the printer. Here you first select the country of your company headquarters and are automatically forwarded to the registration. After registration, our technical support will send you your license key for permanent use by email within the next 7 days. Now open your software and enter your license key. After registration, the software will be available to you without any restrictions. For further explanations around the basic and expert use of the software, open the other videos.